Look at them blocking the path.
Sir, you can't be recording in prison.
Sure I can.
No, you can't.
Why can't I?
Put your camera down and keep it moving.
Why can't I?
You can't record the prison, sir.
Why can't I?
It's a security risk.
Okay. Well, you see, this is a public area.
You can't record the prison.
Okay. Pretty sure I can under the First Amendment.
You can't record them.
Yes, I can.
They get recorded to state that they're not willing to.
Doesn't matter. They're in public right now. So are you. What's your name and badge number?
They're not in public.
What's your name? Yes, they are. You see how this is all public? And you have to...
You can't record the prison. It's a security issue.
Yes, I can. You see? It doesn't matter. You see? Yes, it does.
Because how do I know you're not out here?
Hey, here. You see how I'm talking right now.
This is public.
Exactly.
Public.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm in a public area doing a constitutionally protected activity.
You are not allowed to record.
Sure I can. I can record whatever I can see from a publicly accessible area. This is a public area. You just said it.
I don't understand why you're recording them.
Doesn't matter what I'm recording or not. It's a constitutionally protected activity. What's your name and badge number again for the second time?
Well,
Badge number?
we don't have badge numbers.
Yours, sir?
The video opens with immediate tension as a citizen journalist confronts correctional officers outside a prison facility. The narrator frames the encounter as a lesson in constitutional rights, emphasizing public awareness and accountability. Within moments, officers are seen blocking a public pathway while challenging the individual for recording. The man calmly asserts that filming from a publicly accessible area is protected under the First Amendment. What begins as a routine recording quickly escalates into a clash over rights, authority, and the limits of government power in public spaces.
It's on there.
I can't read.
Well,
the
zoom in
camera
on your
can't.
phone.
So you're refusing to identify yourself
I'm not.
verbally.
And what is
It's
your
here.
name?
You're refusing to identify yourself verbally.
Name is here.
Oh, okay. So it's here. Your name is here.
What is your
Name
name?
is here.
I didn't give my name.
You have any weapons on you?
Of course I do. Of course I do.
Okay.
It's a constitution. I'm allowed to. Open carry.
Your license?
No, you cannot.
Okay, so you have a weapon on you.
In a public area.
You're recording. I don't know if you're
Both constitutionally. Yes, you do.
How am I supposed to know?
What
that?
crime did
So
I...
now you have a
So
weapon.
what is your reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime has been committed, being committed, or going to be committed? No, it's not.
You either need to leave.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Why do I need to
Then
leave?
Let me see your ID.
No, you can't see
You
my
have a
ID.
weapon on you. I need to see your
No,
ID.
you don't. What is the
Yeah.
legislation or law that says you need to see my identification? What crime? What?
If I can see that.
I know. Look at them blocking this, right?
If I can see that, that's not a concealed carry, and I guarantee you're not
Why-
open carry.
Okay. Why don't you check the Delaware State Code on that? Go ahead.
Let me see your ID.
No, go check the Delaware State Code on open carry first.
Let me see your
No,
ID.
you're not seeing my ID.
Yes.
No, you're not.
Then why are you here?
Because, well, for one, I don't answer
That's
questions.
odd that you're recording them.
No, it's
That
not.
you're some kind of like
So you're just assuming that I was recording who by chance?
you're recording offenders.
Oh, I am, huh?
Yeah.
So you're now in my mind.
Like the scenery behind
How do you know? You don't know.
You was facing this way.
So?
I pulled up.
So? Actually, I was facing you.
As the exchange intensifies, the officers repeatedly insist that recording the prison is prohibited due to security risks. The citizen counters by reaffirming that he is standing in a public area and engaging in constitutionally protected activity. He requests names and badge numbers, pressing for accountability. When asked for identification, he refuses, demanding reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. The core issue becomes clear. Whether simply recording a government facility from public property constitutes criminal behavior, or whether the officers are overstepping their lawful authority.
Facing the prison.
Actually, I was facing you. I have you on camera blocking this publicly accessible sidewalk right now.
Which we can.
Really?
Yeah. If we're out here doing on state business, we can.
Okay. Sure you can. Sure.
We can
Sure.
when it comes to offenders, then it becomes our jurisdiction. To protect them is part of our job.
So-
and we don't know what your intentions are with them when you have a weapon on you and you're recording them.
Doesn't matter. This is a public sidewalk.
So
This
what are you- what
this
are
is a
you trying to
constitutionally
do with that?
protected activity under the First
How am
Amendment
I
and the
supposed
Second
to know
Amendment.
that you're not going to do
You're not
anything?
supposed to know anything. What's your
I am
ass?
supposed to
What's
know
your
that.
ass right
It's
now?
my responsibility
What?
to
So?
protect them.
Then go protect them right now.
I am.
You clearly
You're
are off.
standing out here with a weapon, tearing the inmates.
Of course.
Obviously, that's an issue. I don't know where that's not connecting.
So you're just putting presumptions in your mind there and just assuming that I'm doing
not.
things.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
And you're hostile.
No, I'm not, for one. You do not know the Constitution, nor do you not understand the Delaware State Code. What's the Delaware State Code then on open carry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, it is my business. No, you don't need my ID.
Yes, I do.
No, because I know the Delaware titles better than you do.
Here, looking at the offenders with a weapon on you.
Hello, sir. What's your name and badge number?
My badge number, name is Sergeant Powell.
Thank you, Sergeant Powell.
And you're being hostile. My job is to protect the inmates.
No, ma'am, I'm not being hostile. I'm trying to educate you because you're...
The confrontation shifts toward the topic of open carry. Officers express concern about the visible firearm, implying danger and potential criminal intent. The man cites Delaware State Code, asserting his right to openly carry both a sidearm and even a long rifle if he chooses. He challenges the officer's knowledge of the law, arguing that constitutional protections do not disappear because officials feel uncomfortable. The debate now centers on whether discomfort or suspicion alone can override clearly defined rights under state law and the Constitution.
trying to give me an unlawful directive.
Open, looking at them. That's
Of course.
an issue.
So as I said, why don't you go look up the Delaware State Code on open carry?
I don't need to.
Yes, you do, because you're clearly ignorant to what the Delaware Code
You
is.
are threatening.
Sir,
the-
excuse me, Sergeant Powell, do you know what the Delaware State Code is on open carry by chance?
At this time, I'm not going to answer.
Okay, well, the Delaware State Code allows me to open carry both my sidearm and a long rifle if I so choose to, as per the state
And
code.
my issue is
Doesn't matter what
my
your
job
issue is, ma'am.
their
On a publicly,
security.
doesn't matter what your security is.
That-
You need to protect the security by creating the privacy. This is a publicly accessible area with a clear public sidewalk and a fence that is open to the public to view into. This is a constitutionally protected activity under the First Amendment and the Second Amendment. And you are trying to derive my rights under deprivation of law.
I'm not.
Or
trying to-
deprivation. Yes, you are.
What I'm not understanding. Why
You're trying to ask for my identification, which is an unlawful directive, because you are assuming things. What is your reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime has been committed?
Tensions rise further as accusations of hostility surface. The officer suggests his behavior, and recording of inmates could imply intent to assist in criminal activity. He firmly rejects that claim, arguing that recording is not a crime, and that he acts as a member of the free press. When asked for a press pass, he states that the First Amendment itself is his credential. The interaction highlights a recurring national debate, whether constitutional rights require government-issued permission or whether they inherently belong to every citizen.
Is being committed or is going to be committed.
That you're out here recording in prison.
So recording-
You may be.
So recording is a crime. So recording is
You may be attempting to break somebody
So
out.
recording
That's
is a
my
crime.
reasonable suspicion.
so
That's
recording.
my reasonable
No, you
suspicion.
said recording. So
That's my
recording is a
reasonable
crime.
suspicion.
That recording is a
You're-
crime.
That's my reasonable suspicion. You're recording the prison, so I think you're
But
breaking somebody
what
out.
crime is that? What crime is
You
being
may be
committed?
attempting to break somebody out.
So that's not a crime.
That is a crime.
All right.
Under the First Amendment, recording is not a crime because I'm free press. I'm an agent of the free press.
Well, where's
And
your press pass?
this is my press pass. Do you know what the Constitution is? The First Amendment is my
Explain it to
press
the
pass.
troopers when they come.
Sure. Because they'll know the law a little bit better than you do.
Yeah.
Especially on open carry.
Today,
At the end of the day, this is
I
a...
am here to protect.
Doesn't matter why you're here. You
are-
need to create the privacy.
No,
Yes.
and I am. This is the privacy.
No, it's not.
You need to
This
move
is a
on.
public sidewalk, as you already stated
Okay,
twice
and
on
that
film.
is a state facility.
Doesn't matter.
Recording.
I can go over here and record everything I want from a publicly accessible area.
Okay, that doesn't mean I'm not going to ask you questions about it when it comes to their safety.
Doesn't matter.
You're standing out here with a firearm.
On- So it doesn't matter. That's all constitutionally protected. Yes. No, it's not.
The officers continue pressing for identification and questioning his motives, while he repeatedly demands clarification of any crime he is suspected of committing. He accuses him of attempting to deprive him of rights under color of law. The exchange becomes circular. Recording is cited as suspicious, yet no statute is identified to justify detention. The citizen maintains that asking for ID without legal grounds is unlawful, framing the situation as a test of whether law enforcement understands the boundaries of investigative authority.
Are you kidding me?
Safety is my concern.
Okay, you're just opened yourself up to a lawsuit, Corporal Wells. You just said my constitutional right. Okay, it's all recorded. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I just dealt with Virginia. They just tried to do the same thing. Now they're opening up for a lawsuit with the lieutenant colonel as well. You're going to face the same thing, darling. Trying to deprive me of my rights under color of law.
I'm not depriving you.
Yes, you are.
I'm protecting them.
Damn right it's what I want, because you came out here and tried to do an unlawful directive to me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
I have 10 minutes of video that just says you did, ma'am. Yes, sir, I can. Yes, sir, I
Did
can.
I detain you? Did I do anything?
You're asking for my ID, which is unlawful.
That's not unlawful.
Yes,
I'm
it
just
is.
asking. I can ask anyone for that.
Of course, you can ask them for it.
Sir. Come on.
Ma'am, you need to know the Delaware State Code, for one.
Sir, you need to not threaten my offenders.
Okay. I'm real threatening out here.
Yes, you are.
Have your name and badge number, please?
Off the grass, state property. Not off the grass, state property. Off the grass.
Do you know what a public easement is?
Off the grass, state property.
State property is public property, sir.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Clearly states up there, no trespassing on state property.
State
Go up
property
there
is.
and record the sign if you
Oh,
want
I
to
have.
something.
Oh, I have.
The encounter shifts physically as officers instruct him to move off state property, claiming trespass. He responds by arguing that state property is public property and that public easements allow access. The debate extends beyond recording into questions of property classification and sidewalk access. Vehicles are positioned in ways that appear to block pedestrian passage, prompting the man to invite bystanders to walk through. The scene underscores how quickly routine public recording can evolve into disputes over space, access, and authority.
So you seen it says state property, no trespassing.
That's public property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Excuse me, you're in my way. Excuse me, officer, you're in my way. I don't feel comfortable with you on my left side. Excuse me.
I don't feel comfortable with you trying to intimidate me with a weapon on your side.
I'd rather you face my weapon than be on the side that my weapon's not.
Sir, I'm on state property.
Good. Get the hell out of my way. Tyrant right here. Corporal Wells. Look at that. They still blocking the path for people. Y'all can come through. They're just trying to do stuff illegally. Go ahead. It's open to the public.
As the standoff continues, frustration becomes more visible on both sides. The citizen criticizes the officer's understanding of constitutional and state law, while officers maintain their position that safety concerns justify their intervention. Despite repeated claims of security risks, no formal detention or arrest occurs. The individual continues filming, asserting that transparency is essential when dealing with public officials. The situation reveals a pattern common in similar encounters: strong assertions of authority without clear statutory backing.
Y'all can come through. They're just trying to illegally do stuff. So y'all are trying to close a public sidewalk now. Unbelievable. Yeah, y'all can go through. They're just trying to close it for no reason. Okay. See, they have their vehicles blocking it.
We will leave you to your death.
Have a wonderful day. Shouldn't block the sidewalk like that.
You shouldn't be open carrying without showing the.
Doesn't matter. You should learn the Delaware State Code plus the Constitution. What does this say? What does this say?
And you shouldn't be.
What does this say?
Property.
What does this say? Exactly. You're too ignorant and arrogant to read it. Yeah, look at you.
Yeah, you look at you.
I know the Constitution and I know my rights. Look at you. Look at this guy, y'all. Oh my God, look, he's twitching and everything. He's so riled up, guys.
Nobody's riled up.
I can see it in your face, man.
Your ride is coming.
Okay, excuse me, I would like to walk through again. Thank you. Look at you.
In the closing moments, the narrator broadens the discussion beyond this single incident, The focus shifts to the qualifications and professionalism of law enforcement, criticizing perceived ignorance of constitutional protections. The message returns to public awareness, urging viewers to understand their rights and document interactions with authorities. Ultimately, the video frames the encounter as a cautionary example, arguing that knowledge of the Constitution and state law is the citizen's strongest defense when confronted by government power in public spaces.
Unbelievable. Don't know the code, don't know the Constitution, especially this one right here, this fat little piggy right here. Yes, ma'am, referring to you.
Sir, I don't think you understand.
Look, she's even responding. Ma'am, I understand everything I need to. I understand my rights and the rights that you are trying to infringe upon me. Hello. Oh, I love you, sir. Have a great day. Well, did you have a nice Easter, at least? May I ask you that? Alright, fine.
Outside of 4.